Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about the VWAP secret zone for Bank Nifty reversal strategy. By the end of this video, I'll give you the secret setup for VWAP for intraday, especially for Bank Nifty. So without skipping the slides, watch step by step, then only you can understand the secret step in the funnel. So before entering, there is a disclaimer. This video is for education purpose only, and the creator is not responsible for any profit or loss incurred. So do accordingly based on your trading strategy day by day. So why most of the Bank Nifty scalpers fail? The reason is, first one is the tight stop loss. So if we take Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty moves generally per day 150, 200. In case of trending day, it moves around 300, 400. Similarly, Bank Nifty normally 300, 400. In case of trending day, it may go up to 1200 point and 1000 points like that. So if you maintain strict stop loss, definitely hit the stop loss. So there is a need for strategy to maintain the stop loss strategy and ignoring volatility. See, volatility near to the expiry day is more. So that you have to be very particular and chasing momentum. So whenever the momentum goes, in case of 1000 point or 800 point, you maybe think that the momentum may go up to 2000 point, means that is a wrong idea and buying every moment. So don't enter in that immediately. The big candle is appear and that is a momentum to enter. So all those things are mistakes in case of intraday strategy. These scalpers, not experienced scalpers, they are retail traders. So that's why the mistake is happened. And what is a pattern break means what? So there are traders, there are institutional traders. The institutional traders create generally a trap. Trap for whom? To attract the normal retailer traders like you and me. So they create a trap, they're waiting for the moment and attract. For example, this is the normal trap situation. Normal traders, they don't know about this is a trap. They enter according to the market how it moves because of the big candle. But suddenly the market is shift and it is now create the opposite direction. And most of the traders they are not entering here. They're waiting for that further it may go up. But here the retail traders, the institutional traders create a trap for retail traders. That's why the momentum is coming down and it is eating the profit of all the retail traders investment, especially the capital. So that's why the pattern you're supposed to understand where exactly the institutional traders are waiting, how they are making the profit, what is a real breakout candle means what. So we will see one by one, then it is easy for you to understand. Then how we can differentiate from normal VWAP to VWAP deviation band. Deviation band means what? And normal VWAP line means what means. In case of typical VWAP deviation band, the central line is known as VWAP. That you can easily get in everywhere in the every chart pattern. But these are all the two additional band. The upper level 1 standard deviation band, the upper level 2 standard deviation band. These two band will give you the direction how the price moves, whether it is uptrend or downtrend, and where it is exactly the support and resistance, and what is the maximum institutional zone the institution traders using as a trap. So that is the way to understand when compared to normal VWAP and the VWAP deviation band. So I will clearly explain here it is why VWAP alone is failure means whenever we can see that in market high volatility is the common problem, and high speed whenever that no the any news come, the candles react fastly, and expiry day the volatility is very more. So in that situation, especially VWAP single line alone, it's very difficult to understand. If you have to have the standard deviation band, that is easy for market maximum where exactly it will go and what is the reversal area, whether it is oversold and overbought, that you can easily understand. So in each and every, the VWAP deviation band consists of the midline. The midline is known as VWAP line, and this will give you the fair value that is equilibrium, whether price is up or down. And upper band one is normally known as overbought zone, that is what's for execution, and in either side, lower side also, upper side also. Overbought means upper side one, and in case of oversold means upper side, lower side one. In case of extreme level means the overbought, that is standard deviation band two. In case of lower side, it is oversold, that is lower band standard deviation two. So this is the way you can understand the midline and extreme high and extreme low. And here there is a institutional buyers waiting with a lot of investment. So that is the way to understand the intraday trading, especially with Bank Nifty. This indicator can work with every market and any that indices, but Bank Nifty, there is a volatility and high probability of the candle move here and there. In that case, this is that highly essential for apply in your day-to-day strategy. Generally, this VWAP deviation band, the scalpers, they use only 1 minute, but ideal for retail traders, that is 3 minutes and 5 minutes. So the volatility also, it is minimum in case of 3 minutes and 5 minutes. In case of 1 minute, it's more common. The volatility is very high in 1 minute time frame. So don't use for 1 minute time frame. Use for 3 minutes and 5 minutes for a normal trade. And it acts as a band. So band means that it's moving here and there. But that like a according to the price, that you have deviation band also will move up and down. So based on that, if it is price is moving here, in case of that in this area, and you can see that the band also moving upper side. Whenever the price is coming down, the band is also coming down. So that's why it acts as a band. And when it is the high probability zone means what? It is touching whether it is standard deviation 2 or not. After that, the reversal confirmation. Reversal confirmation means if the momentum is one side, imagine that here it is green candle, and the green candle is going upper and upper, and the size of the candle is low, and finally the candle that reverse, and the next candle after that reversal is big marbojo candle. It may be that green candle marbojo or maybe red candle marbojo, and that is a sign for the reversal. Then here it is, you can execute because this candle close above this candle. You can see that this candle close below this candle. So that is the execution, and price is moving towards the VWAP and entering into band one. And here you can see that pricing moving towards upward, and it's entering into band one. So that's why we are calculating this is a typical reversal and breakout momentum. So how that the roadmap by using VWAP band means, first one is observe the market, whether the price is above VWAP or below VWAP, and whether our strategy, that is standard deviation 2, the price is approached or not. And third one is confirm whether the next candle is marbojo, it is coming towards the opposite direction. Here you can see that identity. There it is marbojo, here it is marbojo. Then execute the trade and make the entry exit strategy. And finally, you have to review your strategy every day by using your Excel. Keep that separate Excel and enter that today, whether it is loss or profit, you enter over a period of time, whether it is weekly execution or maybe monthly execution. You see that how many profitable trades you made with the use of this strategy. That is only will give you whether the strategy align with your risk reward management. And why most of the that single VWAP strategies fail means, people will use one single VWAP line means, we don't know that price where exactly moving, and whether it is far from VWAP or nearing to the VWAP, that will be the very difficult one, and ignoring the deviation band. So if it is, imagine that these two bands are not there in the picture, and we don't know that where exactly the price going to reversal, what is the breakout point. So that is the mistake here, and ignoring the price action. Price action means what? I will know in upcoming video lessons. I will create separate video on price action. Price action means higher high and a higher low. Here it is the lower low and lower low. This low is not equal to this low. So that's why market is coming down, and this low is not equal to this low. So you can see that this low is reversed and this low is reversed. So that's why it's called as price action. And that price action, whether it is behaving or not, you have to think. And entering into the near to the VWAP, whether the price is now approaching towards the VWAP. Here it is approaching towards the VWAP, which means what? Price is downtrend, here it is uptrend. And poor risk management. If you are not managing the proper 1:2 1 and 1:2, 1:5, whatever the risk reward ratio you are following, make it as a discipline and strictly follow. Whether the market go 1,000 points up or also down also, you don't deviate from your strategy or rule, then only you can sustain in the market. Unless otherwise, definitely you will lose and you are away from the market. Then best practice for VWAP is very clear. Plan your trade every day. What is your plan? Whether it is you are entering into what time. The time of entry also more crucial for intraday. First 1 hour, that is 9:15 to 10:15, don't enter any trade because that time is mainly for scalpers. Especially each candle move like a 100 point, 200 point like that, especially Bank Nifty. So that you have to avoid and use VWAP for a wise to understand the market is going up or down. Confirm before you enter whether price in upper direction or down direction, whether the price nearing to band 1 or band 2. That is the main entry point. Then manage risk reward ratio, book your profit, and finally review your ledger day to day. Then these are all the do's and don'ts when you are into market. The do's are have a plan. Have to have a plan and don't chase the price and respect the VWAP and bands and confirm your entries. Exactly the band strategy. Exactly here you can see that no one reverse candle followed by Marbojo, and whether it is prices entering here, after that it is coming down or maybe it is reverse. So that is the most crucial one. You can see that no here it is the strategy, everything is fine, but where exactly it is no reverse after touching the center VWAP, it is now going again to the pavilion. So that time you have to be very strict, maintain of stop reward risk ratio. And here you can see the final 6 core VWAP trading rules. First one is whether the price is above VWAP means bullish, below means bearish, and use for standard deviation 1 band for normal trade. In case of you are looking for the extreme, the institutional trap ideas, there it is. You have to wait for standard deviation 2 band and book profit smartly for risk reward ratio, and alternatively you have to maintain your ledger for whether you are doing correct or not. So that is the 6th rule for VWAP deviation band strategy. And finally, this is a blueprint where exactly you can see that the strategy you are adapting VWAP single line. When it comes to single line, there is a problem when using this VWAP deviation band. How exactly the strategy is very clear, and this is the roadmap when you're using. Whenever here the price is moving above and again it's going here. These are the institutional traders where exactly they maintain with a high cost to reverse the market, and you can use this strategy for entering. And whenever the price is nearing VWAP, in case of downside, whenever the price is nearing VWAP, that is a safer trade. The probability of winning is more when you're using the standard deviation band. So this is in general final the long entry setup above VWAP, sloping upward the VWAP, and the wait for pullback VWAP, and finally you can exit. And more importantly, the bullish rejection happen here. Here you can see that you're entering here, bullish rejection is happening here, and finally you're entering. You're fixing your target here. Similarly, the short entry start here, selling bearish rejection here, and finally you are making a probability of winning here. So this is the typical VWAP using strategy. If you align with the band, your strategy will be more into accurate one. So I'll show you in this band in real chart. Here you can see this is a Nifty 5 minutes time frame chart. And as I told you, when the market is, it is a 5 minutes time frame, the market is touching the band down, and after that the institutional traders are waiting here. One Marboji candle came, after that market is going up. Similarly here it is, and the price is approaching to the band upper side, and after that one big Marboji candle then coming down. So here you can see that a single candle how it moves from here to here. So that's why volatility and price movement is very high in intraday. Do accordingly, not in 1 minute. You can do in 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Here you can see that Bank Nifty, how exactly Bank Nifty moves. Similarly, here you can see how it moves. Here is the approaching downside, exactly the band is deviating here. Then finally there is a uptrend and market is coming down, big Margoji candle. Then after that it is coming down. You can see how it moves. So this deviation band you can use in all the market, and you can see that crude oil also the same strategy, but it works in all the levels. So if you, this is my personal script. The script along with the volume indicator, you can make more probability of winning the trade. So if you want the script, you can type KCP VWAP Deviation Band. I will give you the script freely, one to one. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel KCP Alpha Indicator. Every week I will give you the useful strategy for intraday that will help you for winning a probability of trade. Thank you so much.